Hello, this is Atif Mahmood, and this is activity packet tracing activity 1.2.2, and our objective in this activity is observing network convergence and connect and configure WAN connections, configure EIGRP to advertise specification network, observe the convergence of the network through the CLI Windows when an interface is shut down and brought back up. Examine the EIGPR packets, the simulation mode as the network coverage. So the first step in this activity is the step one is in this activity is connect that new router to HQ router and to branch one using EDCE cable. So here is you will have to click on that console connections, select that DCE cable, and we'll go ahead and select that from serial port to serial 000, and okay, the second router connection from 001 to 011, and now we are going to configure our interfaces. Now we are going to configure the router on the new branch, and we'll go to command line, type en conf t, and after typing that conti we'll need to enter into the serial port where we can the IP address we are going to enter to provide INT SE 0/0/0, and the IP address we are going to give it IP address 172.16.3.218, and its class /30, so 255 that 252, and then we are going to run a command copy run start. Copy exit copy run start. Actually I could actually do that. Exit copy run start, and here we go. The serial on this router has been configured, and we'll move on to next one. Now we are going to a second interface to configure for serial port. So for that go ahead, type en enable conf t int se 0/0/1, and IP address for that would be IP address 172.16.3.221 255 which is /30, and exit copy run start. Once more, and copy run start. This is saving the configuration. Step 2 is to configure EIRGP on network on new router. So enable conf t router EIRGP 3 is the NMOS number. Oh, just a second, let me set router EIGRP. Configure router EIGRP. We will log into conf t, type router EIGRP, and the NMOS number will be 3. Press enter, and now we need to provide the networks that we want to use. Protocol for network 172.16.3.219 255.255.255.252, and the second network is going to network 172.16.3.222, and the subnet mask for that is 255.255.255.252, which is /30. And we cannot forget that is the new router is connected to new switch, which is down here, the NB switch, and we will go the set of that network too. So network 172.16.3.162, and we are going to use wildcard for the subnet mask, which is 0/0/0, and it's for 64, so that would be actually 31. There we go. And now exit, copy, run, start. Actually exit one, I always forget that. Copy, run, start. And now we are going to step 3, and before we start our 3-step, let's just show running. Actually show it's not on. I think I need to go log in and turn the serials off, serials interfaces. So we will go to conf, enable conf t, and then we will go to int ce/0/0/0 and no shutdown, and on same thing on the other interface, int se/0/0/ oh, actually int se/0/0/1 and no shutdown, and copy, run, exit, and copy, run, start. Copy, run, start, and it saved our information there. I just did. Now we are going to watch that while it's on in the simulation, while we have that open, and I am sure we are pretty much close to see that we have completed this activity. Go ahead, click start, and see how it is moving down here. If you drop a packet from here to here, okay, from here to this router, and now we are going to watch it move, and we will see how we did in the activity, which is probably completion of check results, and it's 100% completed, and this completes the activity 1.2.3.